Want to save water at home? In this video from the Daily Eco, we show you 10 easy ways to save water. Help your wallet and the environment by following these simple tips. Number 1. Showers. A 20-minute shower alone uses an average of about 200 liters of water. If we cut the time in half and shower for only 10 minutes instead, we can save up to 100 liters of water. So next time you take a shower, remember how precious every minute is. Number 2. The toilet. Every time you flush the toilet, it means a significant waste of water, especially in old toilets or those that use a flush valve. If you take a plastic bottle and put some pebbles or stones in it, fill it with water and then put it in the back of your toilet, you can save up to 18 liters of water per day. Number 3. Dental and hand hygiene. About 6 liters of water are wasted every minute the tap is left open. The solution is simple. We can close the faucet when brushing our teeth and open it again when rinsing our mouth. As well, we can close the faucet while we are soaping and rubbing our hands and then open it again to rinse them. Number 4. Washing dishes. Washing dishes by hand requires only a little water for soap, so turn off the faucet until you're ready to rinse several dishes at once. Number 5. Washing clothes. Prefer short washer programs for clothes that do not have major stains. Also, it's better to wash your clothes with cold water. Finally, try to fill the drum of your washing machine with dirty laundry every time you use it. Now, before we continue, we will put you to the test. What is the percentage of fresh water on Earth? A. 10%. B. 5%. C. 3%. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. Number 6. Washing the car. Using the water buckets may not be as convenient as washing your car with a hose, but this way you can save up to 50% water. You can also use the rainy season to collect water to wash your car. Number 7. Watering the plants. We recommend you to collect the rainwater in collecting tanks or reuse the water from the air conditioner. This way, you don't need to use drinking water from the hose or faucet to water the plants. Number 8. Cleaning the sidewalk. Despite the high water consumption, if you're used to cleaning the sidewalk, we recommend using an accessory that allows you to turn off the water from the hose or directly from the tap. We appreciate your support of the Daily Eco, so please consider giving us a super thanks if you like what we do. Number 9. Pool maintenance. It is best to avoid renewing the pool water frequently. By using sodium hypochlorite or chlorine tablets, you can keep the water in good condition for longer. Also, a cover can prevent your pool from getting dirty too quickly. Number 10. Check the water losses in your house. It is very common that installations in the house do not work properly and cause water leaks. Each leaking faucet costs about 0.03 liters per minute. A leaking toilet, in turn, can cause a waste of 0.8 liters per minute. In other words, we can cause a waste of water of about 120 liters per day. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. The water on planet Earth is 97% salt water, and only the remaining 3% is fresh water. However, it is important to point out that only a small portion of this 3% can be used for human consumption. Feel free to share your water-saving tips in the comments. Until next time!